Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Ninja coffee pot is probably one of the most essential components for your morning brew, ensuring that every cup is as perfect as the last. But what happens when this vital part of your coffee-making ritual is no longer up to par? A damaged or worn-out coffee pot can lead to leaks, uneven brewing, and a less than satisfying coffee experience, so finding the right replacement is crucial for maintaining the quality and enjoyment of your daily coffee. And in this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great replacement pot and help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. Enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. Choose between classic or rich brew strengths for a perfectly flavorful cup every time. Whether it's your morning cup or a gathering with friends, this brewer handles it all. Brew small or large batches with the 12-cup Carafe. Experience the difference of hotter brewing technology. It ensures even saturation and precise temperature control for exceptionally flavorful coffee. Don't let a small craving mean diluted taste. Our small batch function guarantees your 1 to 4 cups are brewed to perfection. Prepare your coffee the night before and wake up to a hot, fresh pot. The 24-hour programmable delay brew has you covered. Your coffee stays delicious for up to 4 hours with the adjustable warming plate. Enjoy your brew at the perfect temperature, longer. Refilling is a breeze with the convenient 60-ounce removable water reservoir. Simply detach, fill at the sink, and reattach for your next perfect brew. What we like? This brewer offers ultimate convenience with its 24-hour programmable delay brew. If you're someone who loves waking up to a fresh pot of coffee without any morning rush, this is the perfect choice for you. Its adjustable warming plate ensures your coffee stays hot for hours, making it ideal for busy households or those who enjoy sipping their coffee throughout the morning. What people say. The programmable feature lets me wake up to fresh coffee, which makes mornings so much easier before work. The removable water reservoir makes filling and cleaning simple. The automatic pre-infusion cycle wets the coffee grounds and then pauses for a little bit to allow the grounds to soak up the hot water and then continue the brewing process. Number 4. Shark Ninja CP307 Hot and Cold Brewed System. Introducing the Shark Ninja CP307, a versatile system designed for both hot and cold brewing. Enjoy your favorite beverages exactly how you like them. Experience the magic of cold brewing. Simply brew your coffee or tea over ice at a lower temperature for a smooth, naturally sweet flavor in just 10 to 15 minutes. Keep your coffee and tea flavors distinct with separate, dedicated baskets. This ensures that every brew is pure and uncompromised. Our intelligent system automatically recognizes what you're brewing. It then displays the correct coffee or tea options, making your brewing experience seamless. From a single cup to a full carafe, it offers 6 different brew sizes. Whether it's a travel mug or a half carafe, it's brewed to your exact needs. Customize your drink with 5 distinct brew styles. Choose from classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, or specialty to suit your mood. The double-walled thermal carafe keeps your coffee and tea hot for up to 2 hours. Enjoy your perfectly brewed beverage at the ideal temperature, without a warming plate. What we like? Experience the versatility of brewing both hot and cold coffee and tea. If you enjoy experimenting with different coffee styles, especially smooth cold brews or delicate teas, this system is a game changer. The separate baskets ensure no flavor transfer, and with multiple brew sizes, it's perfect for single servings or entertaining guests. What people say. This is a great replacement pot for my Ninja coffee maker. It fits perfectly and brews coffee just like the original. The lid seals well and doesn't leak. Number 3. Ninja Coffee Bar CF091. Introducing the Ninja Coffee Bar, designed to brew your perfect cup every time. With multiple brew sizes and options, it offers ultimate versatility. It features a built-in frother, allowing you to froth milk for delicious specialty drinks. Enjoy your creations right in your favorite mug. Experience smart brewing with its pre-warming feature for hotter coffee. It ensures optimal temperature for every brew, from the first cup to the last. This brewer comes with a permanent, reusable filter, making it eco-friendly and convenient. Simply add your favorite coffee grounds for a fresh brew. Get inspired with the included 20-recipe guide to explore new coffee creations. Discover a world of flavor possibilities with this versatile machine. Enjoy the convenience of a removable water reservoir and a glass carafe. Cleaning is simple, ensuring you spend more time enjoying your coffee. What we like. Elevate your coffee experience with the integrated milk frother. If you love crafting specialty coffee drinks like lattes and cappuccinos at home, this machine is designed for you. It simplifies the process, allowing you to brew, froth, and enjoy your favorite cafe-style beverages right from your own mug. What people say. The clean cycle seems to do something different than just running vinegar through the pot. It runs it slowly through the pot, not certain if the temperature is different, but it also runs quickly to clear the reservoir after it has run a 1-hour cycle. It seems smarter than other coffee pots as the cleaning cycle is clearly not a brew cycle and takes much longer. The preheat indicator is also a push button. This is stated in the documentation, but isn't entirely clear when looking at it. As the preheat indicator is also a button and can be turned off, there is no danger leaving the pot on. The pot can also be turned off, but the heat plate LED indicator remains red. This may be indicating it is hot even if the unit is powered off, which is another good feature. The drip stop feature seems to not only prevent coffee from dripping, but seems to halt brewing. This seems smart, as if someone forgets to reopen this shut off, the pot will not overflow onto the counter. Brewing resumes after the drip lock is set to unlock. It is another unexpected smart feature. Number 2. KEEPOW Reusable Cone Coffee Filters. Number 4. This reusable coffee filter is designed to fit most 8 to 12 cup coffee makers, including popular brands like Ninja and Cuisinart. Ensure you check the size number 4 cone compatibility for your specific model. Enjoy excellent filtering performance with this reusable gold coffee filter. It can be used repeatedly, saving you money compared to disposable paper filters, and maintains its quality over time. Cleaning is a breeze as this coffee filter is dishwasher safe. Simply lift out the grounds by the handle and wash both sides of the cone. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel woven mesh, this filter is safe, non-toxic, and healthy for your daily use. Enjoy your coffee with great confidence. Its fine mesh design allows for more even extraction of coffee oils, resulting in a smoother, more delicious cup. Experience the full flavor of your coffee down to the very last drop. What we like. Save money and reduce waste with this reusable coffee filter. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to paper filters, this is an excellent option. Its durable, high-quality construction ensures excellent filtering performance, providing a smoother, more flavorful cup of coffee with every brew. What people say. Easy to clean works well with ours. Haven't had any extra coffee grounds in our coffee. You never have to worry about running out of filters or getting grounds in your coffee. They drop right in place and last. Contains all the grounds, making the coffee taste great with no ground inside my pot. The water flow through the filter is great, works as if it was a paper filter with ease and confidence that each and every cup will satisfy. Design it great. Number 1. Ninja Coffee Bar 6-Cup Glass Replacement Carafe. This is the ideal replacement carafe for your Ninja Coffee Bar brewer. It's designed to fit a variety of models, ensuring a seamless experience. Enjoy effortless pouring with its ergonomic handle and dripless spout. The beautiful stainless steel accent adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Whether you prefer hot or iced coffee, this tempered glass carafe is perfect for both. It holds up to 43 ounces of your favorite brew. The included brew-through lid ensures coffee circulates evenly during brewing. This means every cup you pour will taste just as good as the first. You can brew with confidence knowing that this carafe is BPA-free. It's built for durability and your peace of mind. What we like. Ensure a perfect pour every time with this specially designed replacement carafe. If your original carafe is damaged or you simply need a spare, this tempered glass option is ideal. Its ergonomic handle and drip-free spout offer comfort and control, while the brew-through lid ensures consistent flavor from the first cup to the last. What people say. It fits perfectly and brews coffee just like the original. The carafe is exactly like the original and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.